This is a Mercedes C-Class with an NTG 5.0. Now let's demonstrate installing a multimedia box. Open the central armrest box, and pry out the trim panel with the rocker. Remove the two fixing screws of the central control panel, and then pry the whole central control panel with a rocker and take it out. Remove all connecting wires behind the central control panel. There are many wires. Please take photos in advance to record the plug-in position. Remove the fixing screws of the OEM host and take out the host. Remove the ISO plug on the back of the host. Connect the plug of the ISO harness to the corresponding socket on the box. Connect the ISO plug of the OEM host to the male connector of the ISO harness. Insert the mic audio plug on the ISO harness into the mic socket on the box, otherwise the OEM microphone cannot be used. Connect the LVDS plug labeled to DC box LVDS out, and in on the LVDS adapter cable to the corresponding socket on the box. First, unplug the LVDS plug that connects to the OEM screen behind the OEM host, and insert the LVDS plug labeled to CD LVDS out into this socket. Then connect the LVDS plug that was just unplugged and connected to the OEM screen to the LVDS socket labeled to TFT LVDS in. Use Velcro to fix the box in a suitable position. There is a space below the host, and we will install the box in this space. If your car is equipped with an aftermarket rear view camera, or an aftermarket front view camera, please refer to the video for wiring. Connect the Wi-Fi antenna to the interface behind the box, remove the double-sided adhesive from the back at the other end, and secure it in a suitable position. Thread the USB cable through the gap under the passenger glove box. Finally, connect the Android ISO cable female connector to the back of the OEM host, insert the plug, and press the buckle tightly to secure its installation. At this point, the box has been wired and the restoration of the central control panel can begin. After installing the multimedia box, press and hold the star button for 3 seconds to switch between and the multimedia interface and the OEM interface. Use the knob to control the multimedia interface options.